I encourage you to do the lifetime warranty insert, but if you don't incentivize it beyond that, I predict maybe 1 out of 1,000 people will use it.
1 out of 1,000. Okay.
Selling on Amazon is not passive income, which is why you're here listening to me. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guide. In clips like you'll see today, we talk to Amazon sellers and ask them about the pains they experience. We offer solutions. We talk about PPC, SEO, design, and catalog troubleshooting. Enjoy. James.
Hey, good. Thanks for having me. I was on a couple of weeks ago, and you were really helpful.
I remember.
So I want to start putting product insert cards into my my packages, and I'm terrified about breaking any Amazon TOS stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So the strategy is it's a QR code. Incentive is lifetime replacement warranty. The QR code will take them, will open up their text message. So I'll collect SMS and then probably email too. So I'm not trying to bribe them to get reviews or anything. I just want a way to follow up, maybe, send them offers or get UGC stuff. Just wondering if that's completely 100% TOS Amazon.
So as long as you don't ask for reviews, I think you're going to probably skirt by and not have an issue. Now, obviously, the rules can be adjusted or changed at any given time. But right now, what I've been seeing is as long as you just don't ask for reviews, we haven't seen any suspensions, removals, FBA logistics issues, or anything of that sort. So things that I have personally done, I have put incentives to take a picture of them using my product. Never once had an issue. Many of my clients do the same thing. For you to offer a warranty is very in line with a standard manufacturer offer. And this has been done for decades, and product inserts have always done this. It's not an issue. The QR code being scanned, also a newer technique, but also pretty standard. And as long as a customer doesn't scan that, end up in a drip stream somehow directly tied to the QR code, incentivizing a review, I think you'll be just fine.
Okay. What's your recommendation for best incentive to get somebody to take action? I mean, lifetime warranty seems pretty standard, but I'm sure there's other things that could get even higher conversion rate on a response.
And remind me what category you sell in?
I sell decals, stickers. Patriotic decals and stickers.
Got it. So a lifetime warranty on something under $20 or $30, people are going to be very unlikely to fill it out, right? They don't have a lot of incentive. If you were selling a $700 air purifier, everybody and their dogs is going to want to sign up for that, right? They want that guarantee, that warranty. So I think you're going to have a hard time with conversion with decals. So maybe what you need to do is say, hey, sign up for our warranty, get $5 off your next order, and then also put them into your email drip campaign. The problem is if there's any incentive off of Amazon to purchase, you will run into some gray areas. So Amazon does not want you to take the customer to your website. They have no incentive to do so. Having said that, if you do it the way that I'm describing, where you're like, hey, sign up for a warranty and you happen to get $5 off your next order, and you don't specify how the $5 is given until the last step, you'll probably skirt by just okay. But to be very clear, if the line item textbook definition of what Amazon will not like is any incentive to order off the platform. So if that $5 could go back on Amazon, that might be enough to make it happen. You'd probably be okay.
So if you send traffic to your Shopify store, Amazon could not be cool with that.
There's this weird situation because like Amazon totally wants you to offer a warranty, right? Well, how do you give the warranty to somebody if they don't go to your website?
Yeah, exactly.
So there's a paradox. So you can definitely drive them to your site to do things that make sense that are in the customer's best interest. But the moment you start hyper marketing and be like, $5 off my website, buy here, here's the code, that's when it gets sketchy and problematic. So So I think you can incentivize. I think you can tell them to sign up. I'm just suggesting that the white line ends once there's incentive of any kind. The gray then begins. I personally incentivize them to post a picture on a social media profile, and I guarantee you, that's probably the wrong word to use. I predict that will never cause a problem. I think that Amazon will at some point crack down on website incentives, but I have not seen anything to date. And the only thing that they seem to care about publicly is incentivized reviews, because the FTC just went way hard on them the past 4 or 5 years. So as long as the word review never shows up anywhere, I think you could probably get away with anything.
So what are the details? So you say you incentivize people to post on social media. How do you? What's the full loop of how that works? Do they?
Well, so I have an insert, right? So on my desk here, I have my Amazon Guy postcard, but it's basically the same idea, right? So I put something of this size or slightly smaller, put it into the packaging. Consumer gets the packaging, they open it up, and they're like, "Oh, I could get an incentive if I just post a picture of me using the product." They do that. They post it on social media. I have a virtual assistant that crawls the hashtag and immediately goes and provides them a one-time use promo code directly usable on Amazon.
And you send that promo code
through Instagram.
What's that?
Through Instagram.
Okay. All right.
So I encourage you to do the lifetime warranty insert, but if you don't incentivize it beyond that, I predict maybe 1 out of 1,000 people will use it.
1 out of 1,000. Okay. That's pretty low. I mean, that's not even worth the effort if it's only 1 out of 1,000.
So if you incentivize it, throw $5 on it, I bet you'll take that 1 out of 1,000 and get it up to 30 out of 1,000. And that's actually a good number.
Okay.
If you're giving a $20 value, you might be able to get that percentage point up further. But at the end of the day, direct mailer action items are generally sub 3% action. So just keep that in mind.
Okay. What about free stuff? Give them a free decal if they do it. Is that free stuff worth?
I like that. I really do.
Okay.
That costs you more than the $5.
If the lifetime value of the customer is greater than the cost of doing the fulfillment, it's definitely worth it. If it's
the way that I would do that is maybe give them a smaller free decal that you're trying to get rid of,
yes,
or liquidate, something like that, and allow yourself some flexibility there. So in your physical print, say free decal, when they get to the website, you give them the terms and conditions. Like it's a specific decal that says XYZ.
Okay.
Slam that like and subscribe button and join me every Thursday, noon Eastern Standard Time, where you can watch Amazon sellers come on camera and ask me literally any question live. We'll see you then.